guys, how's it going back there? Welcome back to my channel for a brand new video of Mukbang. So today, I'm about to show you what I got for this video. I will show you what I got from Royal Peri Peri. I have got like cheeseburger. I think we've got cheeseburger and a half portion of chips and can of Coca-Cola. Okay, so on this, I'll show you what I've got here. This is cheese. Look at this double cheeseburger. That looks so similar. To yours favourites on my previous video. I guess you're quite familiar with that. So seems quite different from previous video. So let's have a taste of this and we'll see what it tastes like, shall we? You know what, guys? I like how this double cheeseburger tastes so similar to yours favourite. It does have different qualities and different flavouring. It does taste different than McDonald's, Burger King, or Buddies. So if you feel comfortable, we can try most delicious burgers from Royal Peri Peri. Well, seems like that. Something like that. Okay. Should we try these chips? You know, I can't believe how gorgeous it is. It's so banning. I can't believe how good appetite I have. I know. I did watch some similar mukbang like ASMR artists. I did watch all ASMR videos have mukbang. I did watch some of them. It looks so quite satisfying. I could try some mukbang. Another mukbang if you want me to, guys. If you like this burger so much, you can write down comments down below. Obviously. Let's have a bit of sip, shall we? Let's have a little bit of sip, guys. How about that? And let's continue digging up with this burger. I like this burger with mayonnaise and lettuce and cheese. Good texture. It makes my mouth watering. I was like, what a delicious burger I've ever had. And let's dig up some portions of chips, shall we? Also, dig up I've just been to college this morning. I just done some maths. Well, it's quite hard for me to do. I have to practice more often. Sometimes every 2 days a week it could be a bit crazy, but I would almost do my best I can. Oh man, this is so delicious. I've ever tasted burger a whole life. So, just want to, some of you quite know, I do have a friend of mine who used to go to a dead centre every Thursday. His name's Finny Silcock. He literally loves burgers so much, he wants to dig in the burger. I just, oh, that's time we gotta dig in the burger, shall we? Oh, bless him. He does love burgers so much. He has a really good appetite. He wants to dig in. And he loves, it does have like McDonald's sometimes. I think it tastes different on Big Mac, I suppose. Oh. Got a few, okay, so, got a few portions left. Let's finish this burger. It's either you want me to finish this burger. Yeah, I'll go for it. Oh. Sorry. That's so terrific, guys. I hope you appreciate it. It's your support. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I'm glad you enjoyed this video. You know, I think you should, if you feel comfortable, I should recommend you to try wild peri peri. You could get yourself a takeaway, or you can possibly eat in. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so that's it for all today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video of mukbang. If you definitely enjoyed that, if you like it or not, just give a thumbs up. And also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit this bell for notification. I will send you our future contents. And remember, if you want to stay tuned, and if you're happy to support me on social media, is Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. I'd really appreciate you guys that can help me to support my content, better ideas, better opinions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and have a great day today.